Hi, this is Mike with SuperB, and this is the TB-1900B professional bottom bracket installation tool. Okay, now I'm going to describe the parts of the TB-1900B. We have the T-handle, we have the plastic O-rings, and now we have three sizes of bushing. We have the TB-1927B for BB86, we have the TB-1928B for BB30, and then we also have the TB-1929B for the BB90 or BB92 standard. Now we're going to go ahead and install your bottom bracket. First, you want to get a clean rag and some isopropyl alcohol and clean that bottom bracket shell. And then next, you can use either a high quality grease, some people like Loctite, and some even like Teflon tape to coat the inside of the bottom bracket shell. All right, now we're going to take our 1900B tool and we're going to pick the correct bushing. In this case, it's the 1927B for BB86, 24 mils. Grab my other handle and start threading. All right. And we're ready to do the non-drive side. Okay, now we're going to press in the non-drive side bearing. All right, and there we go, all finished. This is the TB-1900B professional grade bottom bracket installation tool, perfect for any bike shop or daily use.